Morning, brother.
Hello, brother.
I made a pot of Kool-Aid.
You don't make a pot of Kool-Aid.
Well, I did.
Is it hot?
Maybe, maybe not.
Yeah, well.
It's hot, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hot Kool-Aid?
I can put some ice in it if you like.
Oh, no, I'm not thirsty.
Brother?
Now you're getting personal.
I'm not gonna drink it!
I made this for you.
Please, 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 pretty please with sugar.
No!
Drink it!
No!
Storm!
I want you to drink this!
I'm not drinking it!
Drink this right now or I'll pour it on the floor and I'll blame it on you!
Oh yeah, real mature.
I made this for you!
Now why don't you grow up?
I did! Because I love you!
Well, I'm not gonna drink it.
I hate you!
That's all I ever hear anymore. Brother, try this. Brother, try that. Remember that? What was it? Cinnamon toast and, what was it?
Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
That was a good idea.
You didn't make a single pound.
I made a pound of cinnamon toast with mayonnaise.
And don't forget Rocky Road with Tabasco, right? Yeah. Was it 3 hospitalized? That 3 women hospitalized.
You drink this right now!
Drink your own hot Kool-Aid.
There's so much left of it. What am I going to do with all this hot Kool-Aid?
Drink it.
No!
Yes.
No! Brother.
Yes.
Please. Drink my hot Kool-Aid.
Please, please, pretty please with sugar on top. You can so trust me.
Okay.
Okay.
Right. Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, I like that.